Of course, it is sad that I'm mentioning US at a point when Kamala Harris has lost. But nonetheless, I don't care whether she's lost or not. I am consistent in supporting women publicly. And so the loss of Kamala Harris is my loss. Mr. Speaker, I just want to say that back to my science issue, I just want to indicate that...
Honorable Millie Odhiambo, the last time I checked, Democrats can't define a woman.
Can't do what?
Can't define a woman.
Define?
A woman.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in our quarters where we are, you have always declared you are Republican. But I want to actually say that this is one of the American elections where I've been torn. On the one hand, I'm not a Trump supporter because he doesn't support the women's agenda, and I'm a very ardent supporter of women. But on the other hand, the reason why I've been torn is because of the role the Americans played in the last elections. So what goes back comes back, bites you the way it bit us. So let them live with that. Having said that, Mr. Speaker, but I'm still mourning the loss of Kamala Harris. Having said that, Mr. Speaker, let America also learn to keep off elections of other places and other areas. So it was sad, I would have really, but they've helped me because my pain is minimized somehow. Mr. Speaker, I do support my brother in this science museum because our younger people will be able to learn a lot of things that our ancestors used, our grandfathers used, that we have considered archaic because of new and emerging technologies. Yet these things are the ones that actually been the base for emerging technologies. So I really do thank my brother for this noble idea, and I hope that we do put resources into this, but also that it would be an example that we shouldn't only, because here is talking about technologies, it's just that I've come in a bit late, but I'd have wanted to put not just technology, but indigenous knowledge as well. Because, Mr. Speaker, you discover that there's a lot of indigenous knowledge. For instance, as I've indicated, of beneficial properties of plant genetic resources. My grandfather knew almost every cure for snake bites. But now I ask everybody at home, nobody knows, because it was not stored. There was no way of storing that kind of system. So now if somebody is bitten, because in our shags, in our rural home, there are many, many snakes, yeah? Even though now because of increased settlement, they've gone down. And because of that, they observed the way snakes, when they fight, that they can actually use some plants, and he became an expert. But who knows about that anyway? No, nobody. There are medicines for curing cancer. But yet we are having people struggling with cancer when we have herbal medicine. So for me, one of the other things that you should have actually done, Honorable Member, maybe now because you are bringing it as a motion, when you bring a bill, the bill is there. Oh, thank you. Then in the bill, please don't just provide for technology, provide for knowledge as well. Otherwise, this is an excellent idea and I do support. Thank you.